In this video, I'll show you how you can add a new job at the same company on LinkedIn. So for example, let's say you are working as cashier and then you got promoted to manager. So how you can add this new job to your profile? Just click on your profile and then from here scroll all the way down to your experience. And let's say you are store cashier in 7-Eleven as an example. And now how you can add a new job at this same company? Just click on this plus button, then add position. Then you can type, I don't know, store manager. Select it, employment type full-time, and then you need, this is the most important, you need to choose same company, so 7-Eleven. Then you can choose start date. So this was December 24. So let's say I got promoted in January 25. So I'm going to select that. And then you just need to click on save. You can share your new job with people, or you can just skip this step. And then you will see this new promotion, like this was your store cashier and now you are store manager. So this is how you can add your new job at the same company on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.